After finding an ancient bridge, I decided to halt here and start recording. Different kind of colored tiles are existing here from several decades beside the existing IT Park Sports Complex, which was renamed several times during past 8 years. But I visited the swimming pool about 9 years ago. But they had sent the interview schedule timings much after the prescribed date of appearance, due to which I neglected the offer. Different kinds of developments can be seen due to frustration, but I will not point towards those to avoid any kind of confusion amongst the morning walkers and other team members of different groups like WhatsApp, Telegram, and other kind of mass hysteria through religious preachers sound in the background. They used to buy healthy cows and promote them as a social gesture towards stray animals, but in fact that illegal activity is not helpful towards the environment cause or preservation of buffaloes or cattle. More and more trees are being destroyed and cut down through different methods of large cranes and machineries at the cost of the environment. They are promoting helping children to play in rusted environment full of stray dogs. This road was not leading towards any city, but in fact there was a small village who were happily living in the past by cultivation and selling goat and cow or buffalo milk, and there is hardly any difference in the real impact on health of people whether they consume buffalo or cow milk, but they have spreaded a mass hysteria through which these illiterate citizens have started believing that cow milk is preferable for the children. Even this fountain was seen about 18 years ago. More and more benches are being placed in different parks throughout the country after cutting down trees. Even the number of visitors are much lesser than the amount being wasted on these kind of concrete developments, because they can be seen from distance, and these illiterates used to applaud that as an achievement. Thousands of designs have been manipulated at different crossings and junctions which I can't even explain. In reality, I am not able to buy the bicycle hub also. About 40 cow shelters have been developed in past few years. All of them don't offer any kind of social causes in real life, but they are promoting different religions and offering tourism related packages to the people through mass hysteria. Of course, prostitution and other kind of illegal activities are also being encouraged. All kind of parallelism was tackled so easily by me. Different people were manipulating or in trying to influence me towards financial losses. Ram temple was existing here from millions of years. That was another opportunity, and through Google Maps they managed to search these places, and they know that these kind of religious structures can be utilized for mass hysteria, and by transforming the names of existing sports complexes they can manage to reach poor people lives and destroy them and kick them out of the habitats by destroying the flora and fauna, and let them feel that a kind of goodness will be followed for them, and then place different kind of insect pictures in the home pages of charitable organizations who are in fact cutting down the trees and placing these kind of illegal structures.